The Sony A7R IV is a great camera, but when you think of buying this camera, there are 6 things you definitely need to know. The so-called touch screen. It is not usable in the menu at all. You can tilt the display, but it's not possible to turn it around. There are a lot of low-budget cameras out there which support this possibility. Pretty disappointing. Also, there is no tab to release the shutter button option. JPEGs are of a size between 20 and 40 megabytes. RAW files 124 megabytes. This is no issue, but you should be aware that you need really large and really fast SD cards. Although the camera is crazy expensive, it does not support 4K 60. The animal eye autofocus does only work on cats and dogs and only in photo mode. This camera does support pixel shift, which gives you 240 megapixels in one image. The size of this image is 2 GB. It just works at perfect conditions without any movement. Editing those images can lead to software or even hardware issues. It is really awesome that this camera can shoot up to 10 frames a second. But this will also fill the buffer pretty fast. Depending on your SD card, it can take 30 seconds up to a few minutes till you are able to use your camera again. But please don't get me wrong, this is a great camera. If you think of buying this camera, I don't want you to be disappointed as well. That's the reason why I created this video, to share my thoughts with you.